Hello, teachers. How are you doing? My name is Noe Granado,
I'm Melissa Ana Hernandez.
and we're here because we're going to do a free training for all teachers, any teachers that want to join. And I've been in education for over 14 years. I've been also a consultant for many districts over 4 years. And my main training is going to be on the not to do list. And in the middle of this pandemic, we're just scrambling like crazy. We're going left and right. But we all have the same mindset in mind, which is virtual learning, right? And so which is why in my training I'm gonna go with the not to do list, because as educators we say yes to everything. We're a go-getter. That's how we met our goals. We said yes, yes, yes. And because we said yes too much, we've gone we went wider. But in my training, I'm going to teach you how to go deeper. What is not serving you? What is really stopping you because of all the yeses? And that's going to be my part of the training, where I show you how to go deeper and not wider. Many times we think about, how am I going to run my Google Classroom? How am I going to go virtual? How am I going to do it with the students? Well, the question is not so much of how, but who. And I'll train that also during the training. That's going to be my part of the training. And Melissa?
So, as educators, we are constantly multitasking. Now, more than ever in this virtual learning environment, you have work coming at you from every angle. Your administrators, your students, parents, co-workers, the state. It can be daunting and overwhelming. One of the issues that teachers have, and the biggest challenge, is trying to be more productive and more efficient during the workday. And to avoid some of those responsibilities and stress spilling over into your personal life, it's even more important for you to learn to focus and prioritize and increase that productivity. One of the tools that I'm going to be introducing and working with will be the full focus tool, and that will bring some clarity to what you're doing, set standards and priorities to allow you to boost your productivity.
And guys, sign up for our free training. We're gonna have, me and Melissa are gonna have bonuses that we're gonna give. We're gonna give some bonuses out at the end of the training. She's gonna give some bonuses out for you also, and we're gonna have fun. Just be we're gonna be ourselves. You're gonna be yourselves. You can ask questions afterwards, and we'll stay as long as you guys want after the training. I mean, it's a virtual training, it's a free training, and we'll stay as long as you guys want. So click on the link below, click on the link above, and sign up for this free training. Okay, see you guys then.
See
Thank
you
you.
soon.